Let's start by expanding each equation. Okay, multiply everything through. Then you get this. Okay. Now, we want to group all the variables to one side. So we get 5m plus 2n. And on the right-hand side will be all the numbers. All right. So minus 15 plus 8, right, will end up giving me minus 7. So if I want to bring that over, it's going to be plus 7, right? So it's 10 plus 7, which gives me 17. The second equation here, expanding everything out, you get this. Okay, here these are the variables, so we just leave that here. And then 12 minus 12 will cancel out, so you just get minus 21 left over. Okay. Now, if you want to use elimination, we have to take this first equation and multiply by 2, so that it becomes 10m plus 4n, right, is equal to 34. Okay. Now, if I were to just add the second equation and this new first equation, which I'll call equation 3, these will cancel. Okay, so let me just draw a box around that. So adding the 3m and 10m, you get 13m. Here, adding these two together, right, you get 13. So m has to be 1. Okay, so let's take this and plug it into equation 1. Then I get 5 times 1 plus 2n is equal to 17. 2n is then 17 minus 5, which is 12, right? So divide both sides by 2, and you get n is 6.